Hi everyone, I'm Star. In this video, I share with you a quick and easy way to have breakfast that is healthy for you. This is coconut milk. I like to use the unsweetened vanilla, and I like to add my own toppings and mixtures into it to give it a nice feel. So if you're someone looking for a new combination to try on your wellness and life journey into this whole picking something healthier to eat in the morning, this is very quick and easy and good for you. I like to add coconut sugar. I don't really like the white face sugar or the refined sugar. I like coconut, so it does give it that kick that it needs. And I measure this out because I don't like to use too much of any sort of sugar. I use half a tablespoon, and then I add chia seeds. Chia seeds is very good for iron and loads of nutrients, and it also helps with your metabolism, so it makes you feel full longer. So that also helps with waiting until lunchtime. And it also has fiber as well as omega-3 in it, and protein is very good from the pumpkin seeds, and it also helps you get through the day, and it gives that energy that you may need. And blueberries, of course, is rich in antioxidants. It gives it a nice sweet texture to the yogurt. And there you have it, very simple and easy. And I like to top it off with cinnamon because cinnamon is also good for that deep bloat and inflammation. I hope this helped you, and comment and subscribe for more videos. I'll talk to you real soon.